Sophia trying to roll over, but her little hand is stuck underneath her body. You did it, Mama! You did it! You hate tummy time, but you did it! Okay, look. Hey. Stick your arm out straight, and then roll over. Hey, Mama. I can't do it one-handed. Wait. Put your hand out, and then roll over. Hold on. Watch this. Put your hand out, and then roll over. See? You did it. Bless you. It's okay. You did it, though. You did it, Mama. You rolled over. Yeah, you did. You did it, baby. Say, I rolled over. I rolled over. Yeah, good job. Yeah, are you about to do it again? You're so funny. I'm glad we captured that for Dada. We're going to show him this video, okay? Okay? Are you tired?